Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer support in the Themify application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the feedback and support section, click on the contact us button. So first you have to set the type of inquiry that you have. So for example, if you have questions and comments about the application, then just click on that and click on the next button. Then you have to set your name, your email address, so that they can write you back, and then just write your issue, your question, or any suggestions to their team. And for example, if you have any problem with the application, you can attach a file, and it will be very helpful for the team to find out where the problem lies. And once you're ready, just click on the send button at the bottom of the page. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.